Our weather, a little gloomy, a little cloudy.
Well, you know what? Yeah. It's sort of this morning.
Depends on where
now,
you are.
Yeah,
it depends where you
are. That's the key. Yeah, so we are actually seeing a lot of sunshine, especially along the coast. So I'll take a look at those camera views in a sec. But first, I want to show you the radar. It's not as bad as this morning. We did see a lot more activity going on over the Keys. Notice there are some heavier downpours, but this is far south of the Keys. So for now, we're not going to worry about that, but just a few passing showers. Right now, we're seeing them over Miami-Dade, but notice how small they are, and they're pretty light from Miami Lakes to Hialeah near the airport, Doral. Just some light sprinkles here and there. Meanwhile, for much of the Keys, actually dry. There's a shower moving just north of Big Pine Key, and everything is basically tracking east to west. But as you can see, there's some activity developing out ahead of that cluster of showers. That could be an impact for the Keys. So more likely the Keys are going to continue to see some showers through the afternoon, but the farther north you are, the less rain. Meanwhile, temperatures warming up into the mid and upper 80s. It's 85 in Miami right now, but inland temperatures even warmer. Now, since the breeze is up at 17 miles per hour along the coast in Fort Lauderdale, close to that in Miami, those temperatures will most likely not warm up as quickly as compared to farther out west. So it's kind of breezy out there, not as windy, and the breeze will stay out of the east for the rest of today. Beautiful live view out of Key West, lots of sunshine, and there's a lot of sunshine over downtown Fort Lauderdale as well. I want to mention the coastal flood advisory that will remain in effect till today, 4 p.m. And the high tide, we're actually in it right now, starting now from noon to 2 p.m. from West Palm, or I should say Palm Beach County, down through the coast into Miami-Dade as well. Highs today, 88 degrees. I know some of us getting close to that high. Maybe the inland temperatures could be just a tad warmer, but basically we're near normal for this time of year as far as that temperature goes. Now, deeper tropical moisture lies over the Caribbean and the Straits of Florida. That's why we're seeing most of the shower activity over the Keys. Farther up to the north of us, there's an area of dry air coming our way. Not completely ruling out the showers tomorrow morning, but I think Friday we'll see a similar day like today. Then a better chance for showers and maybe some thunderstorms in the afternoon during the weekend. Meanwhile, a front is cutting through the Midwest and the plains. There is cold air behind that. Look at that, 40s right now, and it was in the 30s earlier this morning. Even chilly in New York City and Boston right now, in the mid-50s. Back here at home, no advisories for boaters, but beachgoers, be careful. There's still those dangerous rip currents out there. Temperatures will be slightly warmer through the weekend with some thunderstorms. A high of 90 by Monday.